What's good, everybody? Welcome back. So, I came out here with the intention of doing something entirely different than what this video is going to be about. But while in the process of getting everything set up and squared away, I got a knock at the door. Answered the door, and I find this big monstrosity of a package sitting on porch with the UPS driver walking away telling me to have a good day. Now, I didn't order anything from China. I know I didn't. So I called my wife and I was simply asked what she ordered from China that would be arriving in a bag this big. Now, she has one thought as to what this could be. She didn't tell me what's in the package. She told me to open it and be surprised. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And depending on what's in this package, today's video might change. I don't know. Let's find out. Go ahead and cut it. Cut it with scissors, so that way I don't damage anything. All right, let's see. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I wanted these for a while, and I just couldn't bring myself to order them. You know, I mean, I have floor mats in the car. These look super, super dope, but I just didn't want to spend the money on them. Well, I guess she heard my complaints about how much I wanted these things, but didn't want to buy them for myself, that she went and took it upon herself to get them for me instead. This is awesome. So, as you can see from, I think this is where she got them from. Yep, so as you can see from the tag here, these are from Diamond floor mats. There are a lot of people online, on Facebook, on the chat groups and stuff that have done the Diamond floor mats, but a lot of them have only done the diamond print mats, and I never liked the diamond print. It's just not my thing. And I showed my wife the diamond print, and she thought they were nice, but I just couldn't get behind them. And I guess when I showed her that they had alternatives on there as well, she went ahead and took that shot, and I'll be damned, these are nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and look these over real quick, and then if I see any issues or anything to note, I'll show you, but stand by. All right, so I got them all laid out. As you can see, got the back seat, got the passenger side, I think, and the driver's side. Yep, yeah, driver's side's the plate where your heel goes. So, right out the bag, or out the box, these are gonna need a little bit of maintenance. You know, random extra strings that are left hanging from the sewing process that were just stuck up underneath the panels. So most of them just pulled right out. They were just loose strands. It wasn't a big deal. There was some areas where some of the white batting that goes in here to make it all poofy, it was sticking out in some places, so I just, you know, pulled that out. Again, nothing major. These look really, really good. The quality of the build is immaculate, to be honest. Diamond Floor Mats does a really good job at furnishing a product. As you can see, now that it's opened up, I did opt for the straight line when I showed my wife these months ago, and that's for really good reason. You know, a lot of the geometry in the seats and the door panels and stuff are straight lines already, so this is going to fit really well. And the fact that she ordered red stitch to go along with the red stitch that I have in the car that I'm working on changing from the white is super awesome. So these are going to match really good with the interior design that I'm going for. So now that I got this stuff laid out, I've tested, made sure that all of the brackets that slide up under the factory plastics are all intact and all work and function, and they do. So that's awesome. So now that I've went through and shown you the details and the sturdy construction that these have went through to get them what they are, we'll go ahead and get the vacuum out the car, get everything clean, and we'll go ahead and install these suckers and see how they look. The entire interior is clean. Everything's vacuumed down, wiped down. I have the original floor mat still in here. And yes, before you say anything, I know the clips that hold the floor mat in place are gone. They were not with the car when I actually purchased it. So, I mean, I got the car used. It is what it is. But I think what I'm gonna do is try to put the passenger side one in first with the factory mat still in here, just so I have somewhere to put the mat and it's not just laying in the garage collecting dust. So I'm gonna go ahead and go grab the mat and we'll throw it in here and we'll see what it looks like. So as you can see, the form and fitment of these mats are pretty good, actually. Everything sits in nice and flush. It's flat and smooth and even in all the places that it needs to be. So now, what I'm gonna do is on the back sides of all these pieces, there are little tiny clips, just like that right there. What these clips are for, you flip them all up, like so. And then you take them and you tuck them up underneath the plastic, just like this. And these plastic clips are what hold the mats in place so they don't shift, and so you don't have any ugly spacing or gaps that is undesired. So go ahead and knock out the bottom down here. All right, there's the passenger side. It is in, and like I said, sometimes you gotta pull some of the little random stuff out that you miss in the process of getting this thing put in, but it looks freaking awesome. So let me go ahead and knock the driver's side out now. All right, driver's side is in, and it looks cool too. Everything fits the way it's supposed to. So I'm gonna go ahead and move into the back seat and get this last one put in. Okay, now I know a lot of people have these type of floor mats, and a lot of people have them in diamond stitch because that is the more popular style. I got it, and they look good, don't get me wrong, but I didn't want what everybody else had. And to be honest with you, I don't think I can put into words how good these look in the car with the straight lines and the red stitch. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Let's do it. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this one. Now I know this video is shorter than the ones I usually produce, but when it comes to something as simple as an unboxing, cleanup and installation of an object that doesn't require any tools at all, there's no sense in making it overly long and drawn out. So in summary, if you like the mats, there's a link in the description to where they can be purchased. Be advised, the mats that I have are a little bit more expensive than the diamond stitch, but they come in just as many options as the diamond stitch does. From different leather colors to different stitch colors. Purple, burgundy, red, black, brown, etc. I know I'm not going to be the only person who prefers this style over the diamond stitch. So, if you happen to buy these mats and install them, and no matter what color combination, hit me up on Instagram and show me your install. Because I'd like to see what the other color combinations look like in the other various types of interiors that we have in this car. So with that said, if you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by, and I encourage you to stick around. Go ahead and hit subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you be notified of any future content. And for those that have been around and are sticking around, I appreciate you, thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. These do get kind of dirty pretty quick. I wonder if they'll clean up as clean as they say they will online. Huh. I'll be damned.